Life is too short for silly little problems, like bananas turning black, onions making you cry, or shoes smelling bad. Today, I'm giving you 14 hacks so simple you'll wish you knew them sooner. Let's go! Keep bananas fresh longer. Wrap the stems in plastic wrap and slow down ripening by days. Remove oil stains. Got a fresh stain? Sprinkle talcum powder or corn flour. It absorbs oil before washing. Unclog drains. Baking soda plus vinegar equals fizz. Rinse with hot water. Goodbye blockage. Open stubborn jars. Wrap a rubber band around the lid. Boom! Instant grip. Prevent pot overflow. Place a chopstick across the pot. No more messy stovetop. Get rid of ants. Sprinkle cinnamon or coffee grounds where they sneak in. They'll avoid it. Fix smelly shoes. Drop dry tea bags or baking soda inside overnight. Odor gone. Iron without ironing. Hang wrinkled clothes in a hot shower. Steam works like magic. Keep bread and cake soft. Store with a slice of apple. They'll stay moist longer. Charge phone faster. Switch to airplane mode while charging, nearly twice as fast. Boost Wi-Fi signal. Place your router near a mirror or foil. Signal bounces stronger. Keep rice bug-free. Drop dried chilies or cloves inside the rice container. Natural pest control. Cut onions without tears. Chill onions in the freezer for 10 minutes. No more crying. Instant room freshener. Cotton ball plus essential oil or lemon juice, clip near a fan. Fresh air everywhere. Which hack are you gonna try first? Drop it in the comments. If even one of these tricks made your life easier, give this video a like and share it with your friends, because everyone loves a good life hack. And don't forget to subscribe for more everyday secrets.